Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Fabrica. Welcome to Globo Arte Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm gonna be showing you few ways to get the free KDP interior. I think a few weeks back or maybe a few months back I made a video talking about the free KDP interiors, like where to get them and all. I'm gonna leave them video in the card section above. Today I think I'm gonna be revisiting those websites again and to see what you can get the new KDP interior from that website related to their updates. Like some of them websites have already been updated recently, and I'm gonna be talking about the new KDP interiors that they have on their platform. So this video would be a revisiting, or you can call it as a part 2 of that previous video which I made few months back, and you guys really enjoyed that video and you want to get free KDP interiors. So today is an update to that video because I'm going to be showing you on those websites itself on what are the new KDP interior updates they have and how you can make more money by producing the KDP low and no content book. So let's dive in. Before we go to part, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so you'll be getting notified about it. Also we have the bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in description box below, or simply head over to globocreative.com. Check out the freebie section. It contains a full commercial license so you can very well use it. So let's dive into my laptop and I'm going to be showing you those websites and the recent updates they have regarding the KDP interiors. What are the new KDP interiors they have and which you can download it for free. Also guys, I have my exclusive email newsletter coming soon, so join that exclusive email newsletter, subscribe to that, link is in the description box below, which will going to deliver you free content each and every week coming in your inbox, containing free KDP interior tips, also print-on-demand tips and tools and so much more about making money online, and the content that is completely exclusive to that email newsletter only, which I won't be posting on this YouTube channel or in my blog articles or any other content in my online space. So that is completely an exclusive email newsletter, so make sure you subscribe to that. Right now it's a waitlist. I'm gonna be sending you an email once it's live, and then I'm gonna be sending you each week the new emails in your inbox. So make sure you subscribe to that email newsletter. The link is in the description box below. Now let's dive onto my laptop and the process begins. Guys, currently we are on the laptop. Now I have the 3 websites that I'm going to be talking about and the updated version of the KDP interiors on these websites, which you can get it for free. They also have the paid KDP interiors, but they also have the free one. So I'm going to be talking about the free one. I'm going to be linking all these websites in the description box below so that you can check it out and you can download these freebies from these websites. The first website that I have for you today is Creative Fabrica. Now Creative Fabrica is my favorite website guys. I really love it. I really love this platform. I'm buyer and seller on this platform both. For those of you guys who don't know about the Creative Fabrica, it's a platform where you can get the cool graphics, KDP interiors, fonts, so much more for your print on demand, for your creative projects, for your KDP business, whatever you call it, you can get the cool stuff over here. So let me dive into the freebie section. So you can see here over here, when you just go over to the creativefabrica.com, over the freebie section, you're going to see all freebies, free fonts, free SVGs, free graphics, free embroidery, free classes. We're going to go over to the all freebies because we want to look for the KDP interiors. You can very well go and hop onto your category according to your wish. So here we are guys, freebies for crafters and designers. So you can very well get the free fonts, free SVGs, free graphics, embroideries and all those kind of stuff. Now these are the free fonts that you are seeing probably over here. Let me just scroll down. We're going to be seeing about the free KDP, or either I just going to select the free graphics, so it will be easy for us to get a look at the free KDP interiors. So let me just scroll down. Now a bunch of the free stuffs are here guys. You can download it the way you want to. This is the Halloween coloring page for adults. You can download the coloring pages for your KDP low and no content book if you're making a coloring book. You can get the cool graphics, you can get the social media marketing icons if you are making a book cover or even a book interior and you want the cool graphics. So they have a bunch of the cool graphics. These are the coconut trees, the vector illustrations, and for your KDP book cover. If you're making any Valentine related book, KDP book, then you can very well use these patterns for that. You can also get caterpillar lowercase, uppercase letter. If you're making a puzzle or activity KDP book, then probably you can get this caterpillar uppercase lowercase letter, especially catering to the children puzzles, children interiors, like children activity puzzles and all those kind of stuff. The same is over here, the missing letters. So you can download it and you can use it for your KDP activity and puzzle book. The same is also over here. The alphabet match worksheets, you can download it and you can use for making your KDP book interior for your KDP puzzle books. So you get the idea what I'm talking about. It. You can get a bunch of the KDP interiors over here and can use it for your own purpose. Coloring book, the KDP low content no content book, then you can very well use this coloring page for your KDP book, and you can get the scroll down and see the bunch of the steps, the daily prayer general for Muslims. So if you are making a general or KDP low and no content book general, then very well you can download this one and can use for your KDP interiors. So there are so many different freebies are there, guys. Also they have the paid version. So if I just go over to the paid version and let me show you, this was the freebie section, and if I go over to the graphics and go over to the KDP interiors, they have the paid as well and they has the free as well. I've shown you the free section. Now I'm going to be showing you a little bit about the paid section if you guys are interested in. So you can see the daily planner printables, the daily planners, the 10 KDP interiors, a bunch of the different stuffs over here, the anxiety general workbook, daily planner, 5-year planners. If you're preparing your generals for 5-year KDP low and no content, then probably this type of stuff is exactly for you. So there are so many different stuff. You can get it from the Creative Fabrica and you can even have the subscription. I'm going to leave all the links in the description box below. You can very well join it and get all those stuffs from here. Now the second thing I want to talk over here is about book polls. Now book polls, if you guys don't know, this is a tool, this is a software especially catering for the KDP. You can get a bunch of the KDP interiors, you can get the KDP competitor tracker, the ideas and so much more about making money with the KDP with the Amazon low and no content book. This software is and website is exactly for that. Now this is the tool they have. This is the software they have, the interior generator. You can generate the no bleed and you can choose a size from here, whatever size you want to pick up. You can choose the page count 100, 200 and you can download the it is in the form of the PDF. So they have the bunch of the different stuffs. Now some are the freebies and some are for the members only. That means if you are a paid member and you're paying them, then probably you can download the rest of the freebies that are the members only login as well. Again, I'm going to leave the link of this tool in the description box below. You can just hover over here, download the freebies, free KDP interior they have, and if you want to go with the members only KDP interiors which are applicable only for the people who have paid them, then you can very well join their paid plan and can get these cool KDP interiors as well. So let me just hover over and just scroll down. So you're gonna see, guys, they have some new freebie, some new stuffs on their platform. This one is a new, the roommate agreement. This one is for the paid plan only, like it's not for the free, not in the free section. It is for the paid plan, the roommate agreement, but you can just pay and get this cool graphics, cool KDP interiors. Then, guys, the recipe general baking pastry. This is the recipe general baking pastry that's made for the paid member only. You can very well get it if you just go with the paid plan. And these are the day planners. Let me just scroll down. Interiors, guys, are new here. That's like a Pitman. This one is new over here. Weekly meal planner. This one is also new. Always in the paid section. So some of the graphics, some of the KDP interiors that are new over here. This is the family favorite. This one is also new. Different kinds of the sketchbooks. Projects is also new. It wasn't there earlier. So you can download these notes one if you're making a general low and no content book. Then you can probably download this one. Let me just scroll down. This one is also new.
You can get this one if you go with the paid plan. Otherwise, you can go with the free plan and get this one as well. This one is also new. You can download it. If you're making planners, or if you're making kind of generals, then this is exactly for you, the mail tracker. So they have added so many new free KDP interiors and also in their paid plan. So you can get it. The act of kindness donation tracker. I'm going to be putting the link of this book bowl in the description box below. You can check it out. This tool is awesome, guys. And I've also made a few of the videos talking about this tool, because this tool is not just for getting the KDP interiors. You can very well check over to their resources section, and you can look at over here as the KDP category finder, interior PDF combiner. That they have so many things that you can get it for your KDP low and no content book, which is only this platform has. So very well check it out. The link is in the description box below. You can just go over to the KDP category finder. Then you can see, you can find the categories for your KDP book, because finding the right category for your KDP book is most important. You can just search for over the keyword and can get the right category finder. And if I just go back, another resource they have is the interior PDF combiner. I think that is only for the pro people, for the people who are paying them. So the Interior Generator Pro will create a book interior of 240 pages maximum. So you can create them and you can do all those things over here. So this is the second website. Now I'm going to be talking about the third website. Now this is the globocreative.com. Now this is the platform that we have created for you guys to help you make more money. Now currently we have the patterns, graphics and textures in our store, but we also have the freebies, and in the near upcoming future we will going to be adding more freebies each week. Like we will be starting with adding freebies each week. Right now we are adding freebies each month only, and frequently only, like we add a few graphics and few KDP interiors each month. But from next month, or maybe so on, like from the next month or so, we will be starting to add the new freebies every single week, so that you can get it. And you can see, guys, KDP interior, that's the line general KDP book, line general. So these are the line generals. You can get it. Just scroll down, you're gonna see some another line general. These are also the line generals. You can get it. These are the backgrounds, the cool graphics. You can get it completely for free. Right now we have only these graphics, but we will be adding each week in future. Like I think from the next month or so, we will be starting with adding freebies each week on this platform, so that you can get more freebies each week, because right now we just add each month. So probably in the future we will be going with the increasing our frequency to add more freebies in each week, so that you can get the more cool graphics and more cool KDP interiors each week. So you can get these KDP interior for free. Just click over this and then download it, and yeah guys, you can get it them completely for free. Or if you want to check our store, you can very well go over to the KDP interior section. We also have the pattern, textures, graphics, and KDP interiors. So right now we have the 3 KDP interiors that are on the sale. So I'm going to leave all the link in the description box below. It's are amazing. The creative Fabrica, the book bowls, and our platform that we have created specially for you, that's a Globo Creative, to help you make more money. So probably guys, please check it out, our platform as well, because we will be adding more freebies each week in the upcoming near future, maybe from the next month or so. So you'll be getting more freebies each and every week. So make sure to check it out. But that's it for today's videos, guys.
I hope you find today's video useful. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think. Have you ever used these websites? Are you downloading KDP PDF from them? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.